Namaste. ICAI. It stands for the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. Paper 3, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. Example 2. Find the compounded ratio of 3A is to 4B and 5A is to 6B. So there are two ratios are there. One is 3A is to 4B. This is one ratio. And another ratio is 5A is to 6B. So 5A is to 6B. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3A divided by 4B. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನದರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಸೊ 5A divided by 6B. So equal to 3 5s 15. A into A is A square divided by 4 6 24. B into B is B square. So 5 3s 8 3s. So equal to 5A square divided by 8B square. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5A square is to 8B square is the answer. Okay. So compound ratio ಅಂದರೆ first ratio multiply with the second ratio. So 5A square is to 8B square is the answer. Okay. Thank you so much.